preview.
Hi friends, he is Parikshit and he will not be speaking anything today because he has got a punishment.
What?
But you know what do I punish him for?
No.
Yes, I will be telling your friends.
Because I don't study.
Chalo, let's start. What will we draw today? We'll draw
We are going to draw a rocket bicycle.
We'll draw a bicycle.
That
And
has
you will need a-
that has boosts on his back.
So you will need a black sketch pen
And papers
and some colors.
And
Until-
let's start drawing.
Let's start drawing. Have a good day. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. Let's start drawing. Come on.
Oh, doom.
So how do we draw the bicycles?
It's a very easy.
We'll make two clean circles.
Yes, a very clean circle.
Two, not very big, so that we can have two circles.
I think
One.
this is perfect.
Two circles. Now we make one more circle around it.
I'm trying to do shortcuts. But you always tell, don't do shortcuts. I am done. Now I'm going to make this.
Why are you hurrying so much?
I'm not hurrying.
Follow my steps that I am saying. Wait.
No.
Come on. Wait. We make a ring here. In the center. And along the center, we make a smaller ring. And we connect these two rings by the chain. Okay. Then what do? We make the sitting arrangements. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then what do? We make a center circle over here and we make a center circle over here. We connect this one line. Leave it for a little.
Papa,
Yes.
this drawing is so confusing.
It's not at all confusing. Now
I'm
we
drawing
make
my
the-
steps.
Now we make the bicycle seats. How is the bicycle seat shape? Yes. That is how your bicycle looks, Parikshit. This is the handle.
No, this is not how my bicycle. It is blue in color.
It's blue in color. So you color your bicycle blue.
Do we have anything like that? Like these things to color with also?
No, we don't.
Papa, how does your cycle look in the real life?
In real life, I don't have cycle.
Then how did you learn how to drive a car?
I had a cycle. No, I don't.
Why?
We won't be coloring it separately, okay, friends?
I'm done.
You're done so fast.
Yeah. I'm going to draw some rockets.
Rockets.
Yes, some boosts.
Some boost. So how?
It's simple. Okay. See, this is a boost. See, this is the boost. See. See, this is the boost.
Okay. My cycle is done.
My cycle. I know. This cycle dipped in the water. It's driving a little fast. Let's design this a little.
Make it look dirty. Let's make it look a little dirty.
Why? What is this?
Making it a little dirty.
And I'm the best dirtiest designer.
And I'm done with my cycle. Are you done?
See this, how dirty this is. See, Papa?
Oh my god, see. So, how was your drawing? Did you have fun drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. And so, see you in the next drawing. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.
In the next round, we are going to make your face.